Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Sachin Pinto as Super Sachin. I'll be cycling around central Bangalore today. Beautiful places to show around. Let's go early morning it is. You'll love it. All set. Please don't forget to wear mask whenever you also go outside. You know what is happening outside.
Speedometer is all set and it is 17 June 2020, 5:39 am Bengaluru. Looks like sun will come out soon. I'm riding a Hero electric cycle, and about the cycle I have posted in my previous video. How was it, what is it, and how good it is. I'm actually pedaling, I'm not using the throttle because till I reach MG Road I'll pedal. While coming back I'll use throttle because it feels like downhill. Entered Bangalore University and feels good. People are wearing mask and walking. City Armed Reserve Headquarters, which is next to Mysore Road. You can see from the flyover, and the time is 6:20. This is KR Market flyover, and if you take left you directly get into KR Market, and from top itself I'll show you how it looks. This is green vegetable market. People are not maintaining social distancing. I can see that. Please do follow it. And if you go little front from here you can see a mosque. I have been seeing this from a long time but not got a chance to get in. I should go inside. Looks very awesome from outside. Getting down from the flyover, and let me see how many kilometers I've gone till now. It is 12.35 kilometers till now I've gone, which is good. Little I'm sweating. Amazon, Flipkart and all are online marketplace, but what you are seeing here is SP Road, which was offline marketplace for entire Karnataka and I think full South India.
Hi guys, this is Vidhan Sauda, located in central Bangalore, and this is very beautiful. They started building this somewhere between 1951 to 52, and they've completed this building on 1956. It's very beautiful, and actually there are two.
On the right you can see Vidhana Sauda and on the left you can see Vikasa Sauda. Between these two there is one Mahatma Gandhiji's statue, which is easily some 30-35 feet. Very beautiful.
You can see it's written in very bold words there. Government work is God's work.
Vidhana Sauda's main door and High Court's main door are exactly opposite. You can see that. This road is named after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and that's why people call Dr. Ambedkar Road. And the height of Vidhana Sauda is 64 meters. You can see police people are practicing parade. That is for tomorrow, which is June 18th. The state government will celebrate Mask Day to spread awareness about mask and its importance. The road between High Court and Vidhana Sauda, what you can see, you have underground metro station and underground metro lines. I have entered Kabban Park now. The area is around 1.2 km square. The park is accessible from MG Road, Kasturiba Road, Hudson Circle and Dr. Ambedkar Road. Every time I visit Cubbon Park, I'll try all these juices. Today I'll be trying neem leaf juice. Thank you so much, sir.
One time you will get that shock, but taste is actually good and it's natural. But you will get that electric shock. But too healthy, you can see this.
This is our MG Road and this is Anil Kumble Circle. Once we take left, I'll tell you what comes. You will find Hard Rock Cafe. This is actually one way. You can't come from Anil Kumble Circle. You should turn around and come. Once you take left from here, it is Church Street. You can see BBMP vehicle has come to collect garbage and we have entered Church Street. This is also a one way. It's early morning, people are not there, so I am taking this road. The start of Church Street is Brigade Road. We just entered Brigade Road. This is a nice initiative by Bangalore Police. Hats off. The mannequin is placed in the booth so that at least people have little fear that police is there. You can see the mannequin, well dressed, nicely standing.
This is Patrick's Church, very old and very beautiful.
It's in Brigade Road. This is a Yulu zone. I'll tell you in my next videos about this Yulu bikes. Very nice and interesting bikes. This is MG Road metro station. From behind Church Street entry, you can see graffiti painting. Looks awesome. I met these two interesting people and they were really nice. They were skating. I liked it and I had a chat with them. This is UB City. The mall name is called The Collections. This is UB's corporate office. It's Kasturba Road. On the right hand side you can see Kantirava Indoor Stadium and on the left Cubbon Park. Again, if you go little front and turn towards right, you can see Kantirava Outdoor Stadium. I think he looks like Super Sachin, isn't it? This is Sir Putana Chetty Town Hall. This has come in so many movies and RCB song. Now I am not pedaling, I am using throttle till I reach home. It is easily 12 to 13 kilometers from here. See you soon. Bye. On the Mysore road, there is a famous Hanuman temple. You should actually visit. So many people come here. Post box. Very difficult to see in these days. One is in Bangalore University. It's 9:10. I'm back home.
Guys, I've reached back home. Easily, I've traveled some 36 kilometers and it was 3.5 hours. It was actually good. I'm feeling little fresh. You saw how it was. If you like this page, please do subscribe, like, share. I'm Super Sachin. Thank you.